Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert USD to EUR in PayPal or Euro in PayPal. So first is first, what you're going to do here is you have to basically go to PayPal and then log in to your account. Now it will also ask for your fingerprint or your ways and how to log in easily. Once you're logged in here to your PayPal, it will show up your available balance. And in order for you to simply convert USD to Euro, what you're going to do is you have to locate your available balance. Tap on the three dots and it will show you these options, including manage currencies. So you have to tap on manage currencies. Again, it will take you to your PayPal balance, and all you have to do is to click this one. It will show you this, and all you need to do is to click that specific currency, and then you have to look for convert from USD to Euro. You have to look for Euro right here. Once done, then what you're going to do next, tap on the next button. So here, once you tap on the next button, then you will have to enter the specific amount that you want to convert from USD to Euro. So after you have entered the amount, then you can now tap on the convert button. And that's how easy it is to convert USD to Euro in PayPal. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.